Hello everyone and welcome to Cyber War. This is Victor. Today we're looking at something which has caught my interest recently. It's called a notebook, and I'm not sure if you're aware, but these notebooks, which are in Google Colab, in Kaggle, in whatever, allow you to run Python and really fast, so without too much fuss. There's a learning curve, but it's really fast. Don't have any, right? So that being said, let's get right to it. So this is a Colab notebook in um, in Google Colab, and you can just add code here, and you can say, well, this, say, wget I think it works also without exclamation point. Let's see. Right, so these are executed in order. So this is the result of the list, sample data. Then this is the wget, and then the last list. Remove that, add another code, and this executes it in context, like it is, you see, here. So I could just cut. So you basically have a virtual machine here. See? And you can run bash commands brilliantly, all right? Let's clean this up a bit. I'm going to clear output, right? I don't need this. Just add some code. Now we're going to look at something that Bellingcat does. Bellingcat is a, I don't know, OSINT organization dealing with a lot of important things, let's say, for grown-ups. But they do show some examples of notebooks that they have. And some very interesting ones are this one, for example. Find accounts associated with the username. Also, OpenAI Whisper is very interesting, and also this one, find accounts associated with an email. But again, this is like code, right? You can just install your own stuff, your own. So, right. Let's install this. This is a tool. So you basically install a Python tool here. And it shows you the install and whatnot, right? Yeah, I couldn't care less. It's gonna work. I'm gonna add some code, and what everybody does for this works is add a help at the end, right? Or whatever that tool has. Maybe it's with one. But let's wait for this first command to run. It's pretty interesting, I would say. I think I can manage to push it into, like, I have 12 gigabytes of RAM, guys, and 100 gigabytes of disk. So it works, you see, as it clear output. When I'm running Migrate Help, it shows me that it installed. Okay, so you can run it or whatever. Okay, and I want let's try JSON simple and the graph. So and the text. All right. So migrate. Let's try the username. Text. Is it like that or how was the okay. Text, yes, and JSON. Yeah, let's hope it works, huh? It's the first time. Oh no. Sorry, it's not text, it's txt. Okay. So this is what Bellcat is using, and they even create a folder and whatever, right? So you guys have a, and then yeah. There are 2,000 sites that is looking. So is found it. These are definitely not the same people. You understand that, right? It's a common word, not looking for a specific username. Like, but you do that if you investigating something. Um, there was a tweet about this predictor lab thing. Yeah, this thing here. Maybe it's this one. But not from this account. It was from the guy running it, so Robert, right? So this guy found an email in a thing, and he found a lot of details about the person just based on that, right? Where are you? What? Okay, I was going to rabbit hole. Okay, can't find this right now, but I'm just gonna take his username. Okay, let's list. So, so maybe it has a GQ, like those. It doesn't have GQ. Okay. Let's try. Hmm. Curious if it installed it. Yeah. So it worked, right? It did all that. And again, guys, you're using Google for free, right? Because it's for research. So yeah. All right. This is nice. And of course, the files are in your Google Drive. If they're not, you need to do some tricks with it. But it's very doable, so shouldn't be a concern. Yeah. All right. Let's copy this. Let's run it again. I change this to this guy. Oh no, sorry, not that. And okay. Let's go. Boom. Okay, so not so fun when it happens to you, huh? So he's Baptiste Robet, and well, the guy is a private. It's not. He's advertising his company, so I don't think he's hiding anything. But he has a blogger. He has a Pinterest, a CNET. What is a Jihu? Run tracker. Oh my God. Java, Kaggle, a Docker hub. Oh, maybe it's actually it's Dev Society, so it might be somebody. Gravatar, yeah. Hacker one. If this then that. Telegram, okay. And some Russian they contacted. But is it though? Hmm. Okay, so all right. So you got the point of this, right? Now homework. how would you build a Colab that allows you to generate images, DALL-E? How's that? It's been done, so it's out there. You just need to. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you. See you in the next one, and have fun hacking. Remember, this thing has its own IP address. It has 12 gigabytes of RAM and 100 gigabytes of space. So don't do anything stupid. All right.